Hi, does the Xiaomi Redmi 10 support recovery mode? So the answer is yes, this phone does support recovery mode, which can be used to clear all data. To enter it, you will need to turn off your phone first, and for that I'm gonna press the power button and volume up buttons, and here simply swipe up to power off. Now we will need to hold power button and volume up button again, like that. So we see the Xiaomi logo appears on the screen, and after that we can release the power button but continue holding volume up button. So let's wait a couple of seconds. And now we are releasing the power button and only holding volume up button. So this functionality can be quite useful if you encounter any issues with your device or if you want to restore it to factory settings. But it's always a good idea to back up your data beforehand, as entering recovery mode will erase all of the data on your phone. So now we just entered this recovery mode. To go through the menu, use volume down or volume up button, and to confirm the choice, just press the power button. So here, if you wanna just delete all of your data, you will need to select the second option, wipe data, and press the power button to confirm, but I'm gonna reboot it. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.